quickly, especially when the topography. I was looking for the word there. When the topography, when there's a lot of varied terrain there.
Yeah, just dirt.
It just, in the canyons, Paladuro Canyon, Big Bend, those rivers rise real quickly.
Nothing to soak up that water.
Oh yeah, nothing to soak up that water. And they've just been having, round after round after round of showers and thunderstorms. And unfortunately, that's what they had this evening as well. So here's satellite and radar. We continue to track a few showers and thunderstorms, especially out in West Texas. You can see where that severe thunderstorm watch was. But watch what happens as these storms develop in West Texas. They fizzle out before they get to East Texas, so we really haven't had those issues here in East Texas. Now, eventually, we will see some very heavy rain, although it's not really in the forecast over the next few days, but it will happen at some point. You always need to be weather aware because of that. And one way we get heavy rain is by a big tropical system. Today marks day one of the Atlantic hurricane season, and right on time, we've got a tropical depression that has formed just off the coast of Florida. Now, this is not a strong tropical system. The reason why they're calling it a depression is because the hurricane hunters went out and investigated this, and they found evidence that this was a closed tropical low with 35-mile-per-hour winds. Now, if it reaches winds of 39 miles per hour or higher, then it would be named Tropical Storm Arlene, which would be the first named storm of the hurricane season. But it's really not going anywhere very quickly. The track of the storm takes this closer to Cuba, and there are some models that are going to take this in the Straits of Florida, between the Florida Keys and the north shores of Cuba. But here's a live look outside. We're not concerned about that tropical depression, but we do have some rain chances on the way. This is looking off to the north on the Plaza Tower, thanks to Tyler Neurosurgical and Associates. No rain outside tonight, and that will continue to be the case. Temperature-wise, we are in the upper 70s right now. Dew points in the 60s and 70s, and it will be humid and a little warm tonight, but not too warm. We're down to about 68 degrees. And then as we look at tomorrow's forecast, we're starting out in the lower 70s. We're in the 80s and 90s to finish off the day with a few showers and thunderstorms off to our east. Now, clearer conditions, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's what I expect. Maybe a few bubble up showers here and there by 5 and 6. You can see, especially to the east of Highway 69 here, that's going to be the best chance of seeing a very light shower, which is why I'm not entirely ruling out the potential of rain. However, the skies do open up a little bit starting Saturday afternoon. This is 9 o'clock Saturday morning, but watch what happens Saturday afternoon. A few bubble up showers and thunderstorms, so I would say Saturday and then again Saturday evening, that will be our best chance of seeing those showers and thunderstorms. But Sunday and Monday, decent rain chances exist as well. High temperatures will be in the 80s, upper 80s, and lower 90s by the middle to late part of the week with an isolated storm or two. And then as we look at deep East Texas, it will be very warm tomorrow, but a little cooler this weekend with decent rain chances. Casey?
All right, Carson.